How to choose perfect clips for our AMV edits. You will appreciate it, so here is it. In this video, I will show you how to choose perfect clips for your edit from scratch. This tutorial have 3 parts, which I'd learned before. So let's get started, but before that, hit like and subscribe button. 1. Understanding the view angle. First of all, understand the view angle, like in which angle is the character it is in, middle, left, or others. First, choose your clip with left side, then add clip with right side. So here it is after Twix touring and time reamping, it looks like this. 2. Flow. As it names, make the clip flow. So, for advanced says, keep flow always. I mean, connect your clip to another one. If you want more flow tutorial comment, I will pick them. 3. Transitions. The most important part, because without it, your edit's gonna crush itself. I mean, you saying, I know transitions, which are slide, zoom in, zoom out, and other stuff. But listen, don't use transitions randomly. Always do transitions according to your clips, so it gives additional emotions. And that's all for today's tutorial. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming episodes. See you all.